Hello guys, welcome to Clip Info, where you get to see the issues of the real world ignored by the reality. So without wasting time, let's get started. Today's topic of discussion is Jeff Bezos and his philanthropy. The billionaire charity works have been quite questionable in the recent past. It's time to shed light on some of the facts and figures. Before we dive into the topic, a fun fact. This was something I read in the book Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins. He says a statement that states as, never use millionaire and billionaire in the same sentence. It seems so obvious, but why? Actually, there's a huge difference between them. To get to know the difference, let's do a simple experiment. Imagine you get $1 every second. That means $3,600 per hour. Now, try to imagine the time frame to become a millionaire and a billionaire with $1 per second. Imagine the numbers in your minds and let's get to it back in 5 seconds. Got them? You can comment below the time frames you chose to become a millionaire and a billionaire with $1 per second. Considering the real figures, it takes 12 days approximately, that is exactly 11.57 days to complete your $1 million considering $1 per second. That's a reasonable time frame to achieve the goal, right? Now, having considered the time frame required to become a millionaire, let's think of the time frame required to the billionaire. You can comment below by pausing the video right now. Ready with your numbers? So, it takes 32 years to become a billionaire. Yes, you heard it right. That's how big a billion really is. Coming to today's topic, if you consider money as success, then Jeff Bezos is the most successful person humanity has ever seen. But his philanthropy works have been way too awful than most people on the list. I personally feel that he's just a ruthless money-making machine. Jeff Bezos turned to be a billionaire in 1997. Since then, there is no recorded charity work by him until 2011. This is a list of different philanthropy works by Bezos since 1997. You can see those numbers. His net worth was 18 billion back in 2011. From then, it was a consistent increase until 2015. In 2016, he turned to be the world's richest person with 66.5 billion. By 2018, he had reached 123 billion, almost doubled, like 200% return in just 2 years. Until 2018, Jeff Bezos had never appeared on the America's 50 largest donors list, even though he had been richest person for 2 consecutive years by then. Jeff Bezos first appeared in the America's 50 largest donors list when he donated $2 billion for education for the homeless. In the year 2020, that is this year, he made his greatest philanthropy work by donating $10 billion, that is approximately 7 to 8% of his total net worth, as he had donated to fight climate change. Some of you guys must have seen this meme saying if you had earned 180,000 every day from the day Christ was born until right now, you wouldn't be as rich as Jeff Bezos. And it's true, it's not something quite built up, it's actually the fact. You can't still not be as rich as he is. And during these unfortunate times of COVID-19 situation also, Jeff Bezos has just donated $125 million for the COVID relief fund. That's according to a survey that says that it is just an average equivalent to $85 for a median American donor. So that's all for today guys. If you like the content, then like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.